Hey guys, let's talk about personal pronouns today. So a pronoun can take the place of a noun. It can replace a noun. And personal pronouns can be used to stand for the person speaking, the person spoken to, or the person spoken about. If we have pronouns in the first person, these are going to refer to the speaker or to include the speaker. First person pronouns are I, me, we, and us. These are pronouns. They take the place of a noun, and these are first person. Second person pronouns refer to the person being spoken to. The only second person pronoun is you. Singular or plural, it's still the same form, you. Third person pronouns refer to the person, place, or thing being spoken about. For example, he, him, she, her, it, they, and them. So in our sentences here, let's attempt to find the pronouns and then decide if they are first person, second person, or third person. So I have always admired Nelson Mandela. The pronoun is I. And in this case, it is a first person pronoun. Do you know who Nelson Mandela is? Pronoun is you. It is second person. In 1994, he became the first black president of South Africa. He, and this one is third person.